Welcome. This video will show you how to use the employee shift control system from Luciano's. To begin using the system, you must register your device first. Once your device is registered, you must use only this device to check in and check out. Please note that you must be connected to the branch's network to be able to register your device, as well as to check in or out. If you lose or change your device, you must request a new token number and log in again. Once you are connected to the branch's Wi-Fi, open your preferred browser and type the following address: shares.net.ar/Luciano's ESC. The first time you access the website, you will be required to log in with your employee number and token number. The token number must be generated by a branch supervisor using the point of sale system. To do this, open the Employee Shift Control module. Type in the employee number or select them from the search window and press Enter. Select Generate Token. The system will ask for the token supervisor password. The token number generated will be displayed, and it's valid for 5 minutes. Once you have your token number, type in your employee number, followed by the token number, and then press Login. If asked to remember the password, select Never for this website. If you entered the details correctly, the check-in and check-out page will be shown. You must only complete this step once. To check in, once you are in the branch, press the check-in button. To check out, press the checkout button. This concludes our video demonstration.